Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Amhuluk from the Godzilla series. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla Titan Amhuluk, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little circle shape for an eye. Then I'm going to make another little circle shape for an eye right here. I want to make a line that's going to curve around and down, and then kind of the same thing here. I want to make a little curve here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to put a couple little bumps on here. I want to make a big pointy tooth here, and then some smaller ones right here, and another big one there. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. I'm going to make a bunch of sharp teeth right here. And a couple more here. For the tongue, let's draw a line that comes down, and then another one that's going to curve out here, and then we're going to bring it back. Almost kind of reminds me of Venom's tongue. We'll bring this line down and this line up. We'll curve a line around here, and then we'll bring this up. And then we're going to make this long, kind of pointed shape up here, part of the little things that are coming out of them. We'll do another one here. We're going to bring this up and kind of back. Next, we're going to make a couple little bumps here. And I'm going to bring this line up to here, and then we're going to bring it back down. Make a couple more little lines here. Another one's going to kind of come up here and then back down. Then I'm going to make a couple little bumps here. Now on the face, I'm going to make some little lines that are going to kind of come down and up. And then a couple little lines right around the face. Next, let's make some lines that kind of come down. And then we're going to make some little lines that are just going to kind of curve around here. I'll make a couple more that are going to kind of curve around and come down and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make a big claw that comes down like this. And then we're going to make some more that come down around here. And then we're just going to kind of make some wiggly, kind of bumpy lines like this. He's got a lot of detail on him. Now for this other arm, I'm going to kind of extend this line up. Then I'm going to make kind of like a jagged line here. I'm going to make this line come down. I'm going to bring this line down to here. We're going to make another pointed finger here. Let's make one come down and out like this. And then one more back here. Then once again, we'll kind of make this kind of jagged line that comes up and down. And then we'll kind of bring this line down, kind of like his arms are raising. Then we're going to make kind of like these jagged, kind of like tree branch shapes coming out of here. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. You just want to add lots of like long, skinny branches with some like smaller parts coming off. Even make some smaller branches around here. We're going to make some little bumps here. Now we're going to make the legs. So we're going to make a wiggly line that comes down. Then we'll make a line that kind of comes out and down. Then we're just going to make these kind of pointed little lines that come right around here, almost kind of like tree roots. We're going to bring these up with a little spike. And then we're going to bring these back to here. We'll make another one. We'll bring this one kind of down. And we'll do that same thing, kind of make all these little points at the bottom for like tree roots. Bring this up and down, kind of show where the knee would be. And then more kind of jagged lines here. We're going to add some little bumps here. And then we got to give him 2 more legs because he has 4 legs. So make some more of these bumpy lines like this. We'll kind of come down and then we'll make those little points here. But then what we're going to do is we're going to bring this line up and in. And then a space here. So this is going to be empty space. His 4th leg, we're going to bring this out and then back. And we're going to make some little points here. We'll bring this up to here and then in. Now, this is our basic shape of Amhuluk, but there's so many things we could add. There's no way we can get all these details in here, but we're just going to add some different things. So one of the things he has is a lot of like vines wrapped around him. So I'm going to make some like little curved lines that kind of look like there's going to be little vines and stuff wrapped around different parts of his body. We can make some look like they're kind of going around the legs too. And just kind of add some in just different areas that you think would look interesting. So there's no really right or wrong way to do this. Now he's going to have lots of little lines that are just going to kind of be going everywhere. So what I'm going to do is just kind of add little lines all around his arms and everything. I like to find little areas and just kind of like connect them to different parts. Like I've got a little line here, so I'm just going to bring this out. And this will kind of give him a little bit of that like tree root kind of like effect. We can do this on the hands too, just some like cool little line designs coming up and down the hands. And just kind of add a bunch of these all over. I'm going to make these lines kind of come down his back too. And then we can make some kind of lines on his face, right around his eyes and everything. Kind of make some lines coming down, these little things coming off his face. I'm going to make some more of these kind of broken lines all over here onto his body. Make some kind of go up and down, different directions. We're going to make some kind of come up here. And just some like cool little details. So we're going to do this to all of his legs, just these long broken lines. Kind of gives him that cool looking like tree effect. You don't want the lines to be connected. You want them to have lots of space in there. And we're going to kind of do that same thing up here. Lots of lines everywhere. And just kind of keep continuing to do this all along here. Then, if you want to take this a little bit further, you can always add some more little like branches coming out in different spots, in different parts. Just kind of give him a little bit more of that tree look. But that's totally up to you. You can always just kind of add these in little spots and kind of see what you come up with. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.